Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket provides an airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, blocking of the interior airways, the door to not close completely, or build up ice on the interior. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the freezer door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer gasket, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. Peel off a little bit here of the gasket, and I'm going to insert that screwdriver into the seam and start prying it. And now I'm going to pull the gasket out. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our new gasket, and we're going to install this edge at the back of it into the groove here around the door. Also, make sure that the groove is clean and there's no grease in it. If there's some, you need to wash it off using a sponge and soapy water. All right, I'm going to start the installation from the top corners. I'm going to insert one corner in, press it in, and then I'm going to go to the opposite corner. Make sure it's installed properly right into the groove. Press it in, and then I'm gonna press the top in. You will feel that it goes in. All right, now I'm gonna start inserting the sides. All right, so I'm gonna insert the opposite side. I'm gonna stop about halfway down. And I'm going to go down and insert the bottom corners. And we're now going to do down of the gasket, down the bottom, and I'm going to put this corner in and the opposite corner. Let's close the door and we'll see how the gasket is attached. So I'm going to open this door and I'll check how it's sealed. All right, looks good. Now we can close the fresh food door after we check the gasket and we know it's sealing good. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.